Welcome back, wonderful people, to another video. So in today's Temu video, I'm going to be giving us the July codes, okay? Working codes for July, all right? Now, let's start from the code for the free gift. If you want free gifts from Temu, you have to be a new app user, all right? If you want this process to be very straightforward, you have to be a new app user. Now, click on the search bar and input this code FRS127497. Just search for it, and there you go. It's going to offer you the free gift. All right. Now, the next code is for €100 coupon or $100 coupon. Wherever country you're at, you're going to be getting this coupon in your currency. All right. So the code is ACR 609164. ACR 609164. Don't worry, I'm going to be leaving all the code and links in my description box. I'll also leave them on the screen, okay? Now, this code is for the €100 coupon. Next one is for exclusive deals, all right? Now, the code is ACY 077290. ACY 077290. Now, the last one I'm going to be sharing today in this video is the code you can, input on the search bar and go ahead to click on this search button if you want to start earning on Temu affiliate. All right. Now, this is SEC 787028. Okay, SEC 787028. So just search this code, click on the search icon, and you're going to automatically be signed up as an affiliate. Now, all you need to do is to do what the page says. It's going to direct you on things to do, how to share your link, your code, make the money. The right strategy here is share your links and code to as many people as you can. Use platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, any platform at all you have, and just share your code. And the more people you get this code out to, the more chances you have of making this money. Okay, now these codes are the working codes for July. Codes, not all. The affiliate code, anyone can use it. Whether you're a new app user or not, you can sign up to be an affiliate, okay? For the free gift, you need to be a new app user to have this code work seamlessly for you. The €100 coupon, of course, if you've not used it on the app, new app users, definitely you are getting it. If you're an existing user already and you've not gotten this coupon, try it and you'll be offered the coupon. All right. And then for the exclusive deal, even if you're an existing user, still try it and let me know if it works for you. Okay. All right, let's discuss in the comments and let me know what your experience is using this code. Thank you for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Bye.